gender identity, sex, ethnicity, nationality, and all they don't self-identify. If you are a victim or know one, you can get help by calling.
Turn to 010, Romeo Juliet. Open bridge, good morning, Santa. 520 Kilo 54,000. 520 Kilo Tall. Let me know the weather and notice for September 3.
Police cars? Yep. See him go fast?
Yeah, slow. Oh, he hooked again.
Yeah. He just drive and put his parachutes out, dragging something.
Yeah, he hooked again. So they are doing practices.
He shut her down pretty quick.
Kristen Jarvis to gate B3 for immediate boarding and departure.
Departure Lear 301 Romeo Juliet with you out of 2,000 for 4,000. 301 Romeo Juliet on departure, radar contact. Did you want 18 right or 18 left? 18 right, we're going to hangar 38. Have a good day, kind of Kansas City, Center 128.6. 8.6 for flight check 276.
Mayor Chichuk, please, this is your first boarding call. Southwest Airlines Flight 2805 service to Chicago Midway. We're now boarding gate B5 for an on-time departure.
Simulator contact is southwest, the Haskell Airport, expect runway 31, expect runway 13, goodbye Dave November. So we'll expect runway 13, still 17. Follow private light tanks for 13, Skelly 17. 4838, border power by 41, time now 32.5. Lights on and entry signal. Time for you 41, border power by 44, time now 34. Link 750, verify that information with information that you have. Flight 772, do you know the basic? Sir, maybe about 3,000 we were in it, and we're still in it right now at 8.5, we're going to 2772 outside temperature, plus 11. Missed on the ILS 18.
Your attention please, this is your final boarding call. Southwest Airlines Flight 2060 service to Las Vegas on to San Jose. We need all remaining passengers on board at this time. Gate number B3. Passengers Lynn, Lou, Chen, Nye, and Green, please board at this time. Gate B3.